Okay, so I'm back again today at the, I think it's Castellini Cemetery. This was the first location I tried to find a geocache, and it ended up being a did not find for me. So, not great, but I'm pretty determined to see if I can find it, and I've had some encouragement that I was pretty darn close the last time. So I'm going to take a few minutes here, a little detour from a little errand I need to run in town, and I'm going to see if I can find it as I slap a bunch of trees with the camera. Ooh, alright, let's see what we can do. It's definitely a little bit more greener this time around. And now that I have an idea of what I'm actually looking for in terms of geocaches and trailheads and stuff on how to find things, hopefully I'll be able to find it without too much difficulty, but I suspect it's over somewhere in this area. Alright, so without giving out where it is, I actually found it. Yay! I'm gonna grab it and we'll be back in 1 second. Woohoo! Found it! And now I gotta figure out how to open it while holding a camera. Not gonna happen. Alright, so I found the geocache. There's a scroll in here. We are good. It's a little damp, but not too bad. I think the lid wasn't tightened too much, but that's okay. And yeah, so yay, found my first ever geocache that I looked for and did not find. I have now found it. I can mark it off. Thank you very much for the person who hid this cache. Did a very good job, and now that I've actually done 2 caches and this is my 3rd, I have an idea of what I'm doing, so hopefully going forward this is going to be a lot easier exercise. Check out this other video where I did my first cache. It's a pretty cool trip. I was out here, but then I eventually found one. It's definitely worth a watch. And just before you do ask, because I know from the last video I mentioned this, it is not in this hole, which has only gotten bigger, which means there's something living in that hole. Do not stick your hand in that hole. That would be very bad. Yeah. That or it's zombies. Because you know, this is a cemetery. Zombies are always a possibility in a cemetery. That's it for me for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you caching. I don't even know what that saying is. Oh. Alright. I'm done.